If you want to fix cleanup not showing on iOS 18, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, you need to upgrade your iOS to the latest version in order for this to work out. Secondly, you need iPhone 15 or 16 Pro with 3 camera lens series lineup. If you have iPhone 15 or earlier iPhones, iPhone 14, iPhone 13, or iPhone 12 series, or iPhone 11, then you can't get cleanup tool on Photos app. The second thing is you must have installed iOS 18, as we said before, right? So make sure that you go in, have access to the software update, and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, so you can have access to all the new features inside the iPhone 15 or 16 Pro with 3 camera lenses, so you can meet the requirements to edit or clean up the photos. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.